Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to export your Klarna transaction history. Alright, if you've been wondering how to export your Klarna transaction history, this video is for you. I'm going to give you a quick step-by-step guide on how to get that done, and it's going to be a really quick video, so let's not waste any time at all. Let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. Now, you can log into your Klarna account on the official website, or you could do that through the mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're going to go to the transactions tab, and once you're there, you're going to click on export transactions. And then you're going to choose the file format and the date range, and that's going to successfully export. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to export your Klarna transaction history. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.